Good morning, noon, or night. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Zach. Super grateful to have you here today. Today, I am talking about the Tarion Pro. This is a backpack for filmmakers or content creators, depending on whatever you are doing. This backpack, I just wanted to break down and talk to you about why I chose this bag and why I have loved this bag while using it. I have been in content creation for the last 5 years now. It has been a while. I have loved every bit of it. When I first got into content creation, I had 9 RV dealerships that I was traveling to. I had 3 in Oregon and I had 2 in Missouri, 4 here in Utah. I am from Utah actually. I have a media business here now, Mustache Media LLC. But this backpack I have really loved, and I needed a bag that I could carry a lot of gear with while I was on the road and, you know, doing what I needed to do for my content creation. But let's talk about this backpack and why I have loved it. A couple different reasons I chose this bag, and I will show you. It's got a big top area here, and this actually can break down and you can get into the bottom area as well through this top part. It's all Velcroed, so you can hear, with the mic, you can hear that Velcro there. But it's all Velcro, so you can Velcro and kind of place this how you need. So with me, I have multiple lenses, so I like to put the big camera body in there, multiple lenses. Then you still got lots of different room. You got pockets for plugins and cables, and then down on the back as well, you have a spot that you can put a laptop, so I'll put my MacBook back there. Good room in there as well, so I can normally fit my MacBook and a keyboard. I'm a princess, so I like to have a keyboard too. I'm not sure if anyone else that has their Macs does that too, but definitely a princess on that. It's got this front pocket too, so normally I'll put like a little notepad in there so I can take notes. And then you have another pocket right here at the bottom of this flap that comes down. Pockets and space is everything on this backpack, which I have loved. So you have another storage area in here that zips up. I will normally put my tools and stuff in this bag. And then this bag, obviously I haven't emptied it out yet, but this has some of my stuff like tissues, ibuprofen, and then some Tums just in case while I'm out on a job, or someone provided some food that maybe didn't quite agree with me. I have that with me. You also have these extra cords up here to hold on to some stuff. And then right in here, this is my hard drive and pencils bag. So I will put my pencils and pens right in there. You have a pocket back in here, so I'll put some stuff back in there as well. And then up here you have the pens and pencils area. Got a marker there too. And then I'll put some extra things in here like little flash drives or SD cards. And then this part actually is a little bit thicker than like these. These are more of just a fabric pouch. This one is a thick hard case pouch, so you can put some real good stuff in there to protect your gear. And then down here at the bottom you have a final pouch that is like one more area that you could use for storing more lenses. You can store more lenses here, or you can put other things in here. For me, I am a mobile content creator for the most of the time, so I like to use a phone and a gimbal, so I'll put my gimbal and some of my stuff down there. But the other cool thing is maybe you have a drone or some extra stuff that you would like to bring with you. This bag actually came with a secondary bag here. So it came with a smaller camera bag. So it had a ton of extra, and I don't even have all of the Velcro things to make the areas to hold your lens. But it came with a bunch of extra of those as well, so I could build out my bags how I needed them to, or make nice lens storage areas. So then it's got a part that also can wrap around you that you can buckle up and clip to yourself, or you have a strap that you can strap up and, you know, do your walking and stuff as well, which is really nice too. But overall, I have really liked this camera bag. You can put a tripod here too, and then strap it down. It's good for water bottles, you know, put your water bottles there. It's also got in the front area some, so you can have some quick SD cards if you're running and gunning, shooting all day. It was a pretty comfortable backpack for me. It does look a little bit bulky when you're walking around with it, but other than the bulkiness, I have really liked this backpack. I've had it for 2.5 years now. It has lasted me really well. I've traveled a lot with this thing. Just this year, I've actually taken a blow attachment from an air compressor and blown all the dust and stuff out of it because it has gotten a little bit dusty, but not too much of a concern to me. I've been able to clean my lenses and everything just fine, and I don't always have to clean them also, because blowing out that, a lot of that dirt and stuff came out, so I wasn't finding my lenses getting as dirty anymore. But lots of different spaces for storage in this backpack. So if you have a lot of gear, and I get a little bit of anxiety when I'm going out and about for a shoe, so I'll probably take half the house if I can. But seriously, I will take so much gear just to make sure if anything goes wrong, I have something extra, whether it's a iPhone tripod and a camera tripod, or all my iPhone attachments with my camera attachment. I use a Sony a7 IV and the iPhone 15 Pro to do all my shooting, and whether it's either of those, I'll normally bring just a ton of extra gear. But overall, I really love this backpack. Let me know what you guys think of this. I'll put a link in the description below to an Amazon front where I got it, and you guys can check it out for yourself. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.